Hi, this is Imran Ahmed, and here in this video I'm going to explain you 5 qualities of a good teacher. So this is very important that if you are a teacher, the first top quality is attachment. You need to have mental attachment with your learners. You need to know what kind of help they need, what extra support can be put in place just to help them so they can pass their exams easily. This is very important that you need to have mental and emotional attachment with the students. You need to make them realize this thing that they are very special for you. So this is a very important quality for a teacher, and this is the quality number 1. When I was a student, I came across so many teachers. So many teachers have taught me, and some of the teachers, they were extremely good, and some of them, they were just passing time, right? So this is very important that you have to be sincere with the student. You have to be mentally attached with the student. You need to know exactly where your student needs help. So this quality can help you in becoming a very effective teacher. Similarly, if you are a parent, I will recommend you to watch this video all, because if you want to hire a tutor for your child, you need to look for these 5 qualities in that tutor. And if you are a teacher or if you want to become a teacher, again I will recommend you to watch this video till end, just to make sure that you need to know these are the 5 best qualities which every teacher must possess. Recently I came across this book. This book is written by Jack Canfield. The name of the book is 100 Ways to Enhance Self-Concept in the Classroom. Even Jack Canfield says the same thing as well, that you need to have attachment with the students, right? This is very important. Second quality of a good teacher is helping students without any interest. As most of you already know this thing, that I'm a teacher, I'm a tutor for children. What I do, that I offer so many extra services to the students, which obviously I'm not paid for that. For example, almost all of my students, I encourage them to write a book, to become an author of a book. And sometimes I offer multiple lessons for children who need extra support. Sometimes I help students in offering extra classes, and every Friday I hold a free lesson for students. In a very big group, all the students, they come together and we discuss few topics almost every Friday, and I'm not paid for that. So what you have to do is, you have to be effective teacher. If you want to be effective teacher, you have to work without interest. So this is very important. Third quality of a good teacher is being sincere. Do not pass time as a teacher. Time will go anyway, but your students, their future is very important. It is very important that you guide them in the right direction and with full sincerity. You have to be sincere with the children. You tell them exactly how they can improve their grades, what topics they need help with, and if you need to put an extra help in place, it is your responsibility as a teacher, as an effective teacher, that you have to do that. You have to put that extra support in place. So this is what being sincere is called. And the fourth quality, which is very important, I will highly recommend you that if you do not have this quality, then please refrain from becoming a teacher. You have to sacrifice. Sacrifice means, for example, with my students, sometimes they send me messages late in the evening, maybe 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Because nowadays, obviously, we live in this age and time when WhatsApp and social media is there. So sometimes I receive messages late in the evening or in very odd time as well, but I still try to answer their messages. So this is why I'm doing that. This is called sacrifice. You need to sacrifice. As a teacher, you have to sacrifice. This is very important. And sometimes students send me messages over the weekend, and if they are stuck with any question or they need any support or any extra help, they ask me questions, and I try my level best to answer their questions. So this is what sacrifice is called. And the fifth quality, which is very important, that every teacher should have a vision. Not only vision for themselves, but for a student as well. Let them know, I want you to be really good. I want you to be a very good person. I want you to be a very good citizen as well. So you need to guide them with few things. For example, what I do with my students is, I always, in almost, I think, all the lessons, I try to explain them that it is extremely important for you to be honest in life. It is extremely important for you to be truthful. You need to help your parents. You need to help your people around you. You need to help people in your, like, for example, in your family or your neighbors, and anyone who needs help. You need to be helpful. So this type of extra help, and this is what the VN is called. VN is not about just becoming a doctor or engineer or solicitor. That is just academic success or professional success. That is not actually the big VN. When I'm talking about VN means a big VN. You need to be helpful for other people. This is one of the things which I always encourage my students to do. So please remember, if you have these qualities, you can become an extremely good teacher. And if you are a parent and if you want to hire a private tutor for your child, so please remember to look for these qualities. And I know that it's not easy to find these qualities with every tutor, but definitely I will recommend you that look for these qualities. But as a teacher, even if you want to become a teacher, you are new in this field, I will still recommend you, please go extra mile, help the students. Don't worry about the time. You will have to sacrifice. You have to work very hard. Remember, these 5 qualities, once again, I'm going to repeat them. Number 1 was attachment. Number 2 is helping students without any interest. Third thing is being very sincere with the students. Fourth one is you have to sacrifice a lot. Sometimes you will have to sacrifice your social time for your students. And last thing, which is the fifth one, is to set a VN for your students. And also as a teacher, you need to have a VN as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.